Ni hao. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is DIY smartphone holder. Let's get started. Like many people, I have my grocery shopping list in my smartphone. With the phone in one hand, I rely on the other hand to pick groceries and put them in the bag. It's clumsy, to say the least. More than once, the phone slipped out of my hand. So I have come up with this smartphone holder idea, which frees both hands for grocery shopping. Please let me know if you have a better idea. Now, here's what we need for today. 1 Ziploc bag, quart size, 50 inches long ribbon. It's about a quarter of an inch wide. You can use longer than 50 inches if you are tall, or shorter than 50 inches if you are short. 1 stapler. 1 pair scissors. First, we're going to cut 2 small holes, one on each side, about an inch from both edges, about an inch from the zipper. So the holes are, it's about quarter inch in diameter. Just cut the tip. 1 hole, and we're going to work on the other side, just like that. Here are 2 little holes. Next, we're going to staple both edges, left and right, inward, so that the new edges will be about an inch away from the phone. So about an inch apart. And then we're going to staple the other side as well. We have finished staple both sides. Now we're going to staple the top of the phone, so that it will be about 1 inch away from the phone. So we can fold it like this and flip to staple on the other side. So this rough side is on the back and it looks a little bit prettier on the front. And this corner, like that. And then put one in the middle to secure it. Just like that. This is the front, and it's the smooth sides of the staples. And then this side is the back, and rough sides, so it's on the back, you don't see it. Like that. Now we are going to tied the ribbons through the hole. And we're going to have the knot in the back, so it looks a little bit prettier from the front. And we use 2 knots so it's secure, and come up with the other end. You can use whatever the ribbons you prefer, different colors and different shapes, you know, or even some of the fancy kind of a necklace type. This is just a very plain version. And then we're going to cut the ends. The last step is to put the phone in and zip up so the phone is secure, and you just hand this over your neck and free your hands for shopping, and look at your grocery list when you need to. So our smartphone holder is ready.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.